Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Angela from Uganda. Guys, if you're new here, please feel at home. If you're a returning subscriber, you are the best. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Guys, what do we have today? We are going to make carrot cake. It's going to be moist. It's going to be nice. So let us first grate the carrot. This cake is very simple and easy. Let us first grate our carrots. Guys, after grating our carrots, then let us mix the dry ingredients. Baking soda, cinnamon, plus baking powder. I'll put the measurement in the description. And guys, this, if you're looking for something you can make for your kids, this one is very easy and simple. And the ingredients are affordable. You can get them very quickly. Okay guys, then let us mix the wheat ingredients. Eggs, we are going to use 4. Whiskey. So guys, while I'm mixing this, my oven is preheating on 165. After the eggs are done, let us put our oil. Whiskey. Something simple. If you're looking for something like you can take with coffee, this one is easy to go. Plus sugar. We mix until we see the sugar has dissolved. Vanilla. Then let's add our dry ingredients and we change the mixer. We are going to use the spatula now. Guys, you can leave a comment, you can discuss where you're watching from. Then carrot, coconut has, I don't know to speak that word, but it's okay. Let me know what you want me to make the video next time, but I want to try biryani, guys. Next time I want to try biryani. I don't know. When it's done, let us prepare our cooking pepper. Plus our pan. I put a little bit of oil down so that it does not stick. Guys, so far, how is your new year? Let me hope everything is great. Guys, our oven is ready. It's on 165. We are going to bake it for 1 hour. After, when it's done, guys, do you see those small holes? I used the knife to check whether it's ready, and it turned out to be ready, guys. That's our cake, and we should wait for another 1 hour so that it can become cold, so that we can try to enjoy, but I don't know whether I can wait. Please God help me, so that I should wait another 1 hour. When it's really cold, let us open and see what we have. We are going to enjoy, me and my madam. Hey guys, I wish my son was here to enjoy with me. Wow. We're going to check how moist it is. Let us try it and check, guys. Thank you for watching until here. Please don't forget to subscribe, share these videos. The things are simple, easy, and the ingredients are affordable. You can get them. Please guys, I wish you all the best. That is our moist carrot cake. Next time I'm going to make what? I'm going to make chocolate cake. But right now we have carrot cake, and let us enjoy, guys. Nice time. Thank you for being around. I love you so much. You are the best, guys. And let's meet in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe.